MCQ of computer graphics. Stored in question number 1. The number of pixels stored in the frame buffer of computer graphics is known as resolution. Frame buffer je pixel stored থাকে সেটাকে বলা হয় resolution. In graphical system, the array of pixels in the pictures are stored frame buffer. Array of pixels are stored থাকে frame buffer এর মধ্যে. Heat supplied to the cathode by directing a current through a coil of wire is called electron gun, electron beam, filament, anode, and cathode. That is filament. Let's store the picture information of a charge distribution behind the phosphorus coated screen. Direct view storage tube. Random access system mainly designed for line drawing algorithm. Aspect ratio means the ratio of horizontal to vertical, vertical to horizontal, both B and C. Cartesian slope intercept form y equal to mx plus b. A, option A. The expansion of DDA algorithm is digital differential analyzer. Digital differential analyzer, C. Which algorithm is faster method for calculating pixel position? Definitely DDA algorithm. An accurate and efficient line drawing algorithm is Breschnam line drawing algorithm. If a boundary is specified in single color, then the algorithm proceeds pixel by pixel until the boundary color is encountered is called boundary fill algorithm. If we want to recolor an area that is not defined within a single color boundary is known as flood fill algorithm. Recolor an area. Color information can be stored in frame buffer. The range that specifies the gray or grayscale level is the value range from 0 to 1. Transformation is applied to an object by repositioning it along the straight line path, repositioning along the circular path. Only B. Translation is always straight line path. A. Translation distance dx and dy is called translation vector, shift vector, both A and B. It's called both A and B. Consider register system 640 into 8, 480 into 12 bit. আমরা জানি পার পিক্সেল এখানে দেওয়া আছে 12 বিট, তাহলে মাল্টিপ্লাই করার পর আমরা যদি পাই টোটাল পিক্সেল কতগুলো হবে, সাইজ অফ দ্য ফ্রেম বাফার ডেফিনেটলি যদি মাল্টিপ্লাই ইনটু 12 করি তাহলে যে অ্যানসারটা হবে এটা 450. এটা তিনটে রেজোলিউশন 460 into 480 into 12 করার পর যে রেজাল্ট পাবো সেটা আমরা সেভ করব বাইটে. এখানে অ্যানসার হবে মাল্টিপ্লাই করার পর 450. A two-dimensional rotation is applied to an object by repositioning it along the circular path. B is the right answer. Positive values of rotation angle theta define the counterclockwise rotation about pivot point. আমরা জানি অ্যান্টি-ক্লকওয়াইজ হলে এটা পজিটিভ হয় আর যদি ক্লকওয়াইজ হয় নেগেটিভ হয়. Option B, C. Dash is the rigid body transformation that moves object without deformation. Without deformation means translation. If the scaling factors values Sx and Sy less than 1, then it's reduce the size of the object. Definitely it's reduce the size of the object. If the value of Sx and Sy is 1 and 1, then no change of object is done. That is D. Two successive translation is definitely additive. So for translation column additive by result. Which of this is compulsory for 2D reflection? Which of this is compulsory for 2D reflection? Definitely reflection axis is compulsory. See. The shading is also termed as selection, sorting, scaling, and skewing. The process of elimination of parts of scene outside a window or viewport is called clipping. For a point to be clipped, the following condition must be satisfied. That is xw mean greater than x and greater than xw max. C. For the point to be noted must be satisfied. The object space or space in which the application model is defined is, that is, world coordinate system. What is the name of the space in which the image is displayed? That is screen coordinate system. যেখানে ইমেজটা ডিসপ্লেড হয়। The scale factor with transformation of x coordinate. The scale factor for viewpoint transformation of x coordinate is definitely SB max minus SB mean divided by SW max minus SW mean. A is the correct answer. In a reflection, how much angle is the object rotated? Answer is 180 degree. The scale factor of viewpoint transformation of x coordinate is SB max minus SB mean divided by SW max minus SW mean. C is the right answer. What is the primary use of clipping in computer graphics? Adding graphics, removing objects on line, removing objects on lines. In line clipping, the portion of line which is outside the window is cut, and the portion that is inside the window is kept. That is outside and inside. Correct answer is A. Cohen-Sutherland clipping is an example of polygon text line curve. That is line clipping. The Cohen-Sutherland algorithm divides the region into number of spaces, 9 regions. If the both code are 0000 and then it is completely inside the window. Both codes are 000 mean both are completely inside the window. 4-bit code bottom right, bottom mean TBRL, that is top, bottom, right, left. TBRL means 0, 1, T for top, B for bottom, R for right, L for left. Mean bottom right mean 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. D is the right answer. Logical dash is the endpoint to determine the line is complete. A logical AND operation is performed. Distortion of information due to low frequency sampling is known as aliasing. In which the CRT method, there is an occurrence of convergence problem, shadow box method. Which of the following use beam penetration method? Random scan system. Vanishing point depends on the number of axes cut on the position of the plane. No. The center of position. No. The number of axes which are parallel to the position. No. The perspective portion of any set of parallel lines that are not parallel to the position plane. Option D is the correct answer. Following graphics primitive are considered as the basic building block of computer graphics. Point, option A, and lines, option B, A and B.